welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you on how to achieve sunset eyes. I always want to start my makeup with fixing spray from MAC and followed it with few drops of facial oil. This will help you achieve glow to your look. Slowly and gently apply it all over your face in an upward motion to prevent your skin from sagging. Be sure to allow the product to set in before going to the next step. To minimize dark circle around the area, I am applying Fast Response Eye Cream from MAC Cosmetics. It transforms your tired eyes into bagong gising eyes. Gently pat it until the product is absorbed. The most important part is applying primer. This creates barrier and protection of your skin and at the same time gives smooth canvas for your foundation, thus preventing it from being cakey. You can use a brush if you want, but I love using my bare hand because it warms the product and making it easy to absorb. I am using a stippling brush and applying the product in a circular motion. Blend it gently and make sure that every area is covered. We do not want a lot of products in our skin. The more we apply foundation, the more tendency na mag-cake siya. Less is more is the best. I am using a lightweight foundation with buildable coverage. Don't worry if there are still visible acne marks. We can deal it later. I am just patiently blending the product to achieve a flawless base. Still may mga areas pa na hindi natakpan, you can use your finger or small flat brush to conceal specific areas like acne marks. In my case, I am using concealer the same shade of my skin. If happy ka na sa coverage, that's the time we will proceed to the next step. I am using a one shade lighter concealer in my under eye area to brighten and reduce the depth para hindi halata ang bakas ng K-drama na puyatan. Gently dab it and pat it para pumasok yung product sa skin. After applying all the liquid-based product, that's the time we set it with powder. I am just applying minimal powder on my under eyes and T-zone. I don't like powdery makeup. Also, there is tendency na mas mag-cakey if more powder ilagay. Gusto ko lang kasing second skin effect. Eye primer. This helps the eyeshadow to stay intact longer and not crease. Our eyelids are oily, so it's important to have a primer on. Using a fluffy brush, apply a light brown eyeshadow all over the lid to set the primer. Apply a medium brown shade to your crease using a medium fluffy brush. This will be your transition color. Patiently blend it. Next is an orangey eyeshadow using the same brush. Apply it in the same manner. Use a clean, fluffy brush to blend the edges. Using a pencil brush, apply the orangey eyeshadow on your lower lash carefully. I am just applying it on the outer half part and not all the way. I'm just blending it with a new pencil brush. You can always go back and add more if you want more intense look. Again, blending it with a clean, fluffy brush. Adding more with the same orangey eyeshadow on the outer part of my eyes. Using a flat brush, I am applying a shimmery red-orange color eyeshadow to my lids. This makes my eyes pop. Using a black pencil, I am lining my upper waterline. And putting a liquid pencil eyeliner on top of it. I am making sure to apply it as close as possible to my lash line. When you curl your lashes, you need to loop down. And apply a waterproof mascara as close as possible to your lash line. When you do contour, you need to find the hollow of your cheeks. Using an angled brush, brush it on your cheeks, on the temple of your head, and on your forehead. Use a small angled brush for your nose line. Then smile while applying your blush. To achieve more natural brows, I am drawing hair strands to my brows to fill in the spaces to make it full. To a more defined brows, I am using angled brush to shade the outer part of my brows. I'm just applying a dark brown eyebrow powder. I am just blending it carefully, making it sure na hindi siya makapal. And of course, I am using a lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. It is a Powder Kiss lipstick mullet over. And to finish the look, adding some highlighters on the high points of my face. And my favorite part is the muta effect, so I am just putting a highlighter on the inner canthus of my eyes. And that's it. Here's my final look. I hope you enjoy and learn something.